Boy, you got a done my motherfucking me. You got boy, it's me and you, bitch.
And he'll find you here. He'll take us back to the room, and then you can get KFC.
No!
Okay, come on. You want a piece of me?
Six, seven.
Shut up! Just shut up, you idiot!
Game over.
Buzz? Was that you?
To infinity and beyond!
How original.
Listen, light snack. You stay away from KFC. It's mine. And no one is taking it away from me.
What are you talking about? Where's that big strap?
And another thing, stop with this skate man thing. It's getting on my nerves.
Are you?
Oh, okay. Ooh, well, so you want to do it the hard way, huh?
Don't even think about it, cowboy.
Oh, yeah? Tough guy? B3.
Miss. G6.
Oh, you suck it. Are you peeking?
Oh, quit your whining.
Mayday, mayday. Come in, Star Command. Send reinforcements. Star Command, do you copy? Set my laser from stun to kill.
Oh, great. And if anyone attacks us, we can blink them to death.
We have a friend in need, and we will not rest until he's safe in Andy's room. Now let's move out!
You are a toy! You weren't the real Buzz Lightyear, you're a... You are a child's plaything!
You are a sad, strange little man, and you have my pity. You!
Oh, yeah? Well, good riddance, you loony.
Stop scheduled for T-minus 30 minutes and counting.
Find out, Sid. We toys can see everything.
So play nice.
Melt him with your scary laser.
Be careful with it!
Ah!
suck my balls.
Buzz! Oh, Buzz Lightyear. Buzz Lightyear, down there. Just down there.
Hey, heads up, everybody. It's showtime.
Oh, it's time!
This cannot be happening to me. I'm getting okay. See you.